Welcome back to Lab Cyber. So it appears that Udemy has been involved in a massive data breach. 1.4 million records have been leaked on the dark web. And if for some reason you don't know what Udemy is, it is the world's largest online platform for courses. So you can take courses and anything from bread making to cybersecurity to body language, you name it, you will find the course in there. Now, I have a lot of personal history with Udemy. I have been on Udemy for many years. Now, I have sold many of my courses in there. I've also taken several courses as well from other instructors. So this is a platform that I have a lot of history with. I know this platform very well. In the last 8 years, I've gained almost 300,000 students on this platform. So again, this is a platform I have a lot of history with, and that's why this particular data breach is very personal to me, because this is a platform that I know really well. Now, what I want to do in this video is to first of all talk about the actual story itself. And then in the second part, I will share details on how you can protect your information, because I know a lot of my YouTube subscribers came from Udemy. So if you do have an account on Udemy, stick around for the second part of the video where I will show you what exactly you can do to protect yourself. Now, for the actual story itself, it turns out that Shiny Hunters, a particularly notorious hacker group, by the way, they somehow gained access to the 1.4 million Udemy records belonging to both instructors and students. And what happened here was that they threatened Udemy to, they asked Udemy to pay a ransom, otherwise they would release all of that data on the dark web. Now, April 27th, yesterday, was the actual deadline for Udemy to pay the ransom. Udemy refused to pay the ransom, and now Shiny Hunters have actually leaked all the data online. Now, this data includes things like of course, email addresses, passwords, payout details, physical addresses, phone numbers, and so much more. Now, the really frustrating thing about all of this is the fact that despite the fact that a full 24 hours has already passed since the data has been leaked, Udemy haven't yet said anything at all. Nothing. No notifications, no warnings, absolutely nothing from Udemy, and they ought to be ashamed of themselves, because this is not how you handle data breaches like this. In fact, the only reason why I even know about this is because I am subscribed to this particular website, cybernews.com. If I wasn't subscribed to this, I wouldn't even know that Udemy has been hacked, because again, they have said absolutely nothing, zero. And this right here is extremely disappointing. I honestly expected better from Udemy. Now, it is pretty standard whenever an organization or company suffers a data breach, they want to wait to gather as much information as possible before making any kind of official statement. Obviously, that makes a lot of sense. They don't want to put out any misinformation out there. Now, the actual leak itself, how it happened, we still don't know. We don't know if it came directly from Udemy or from a third party associated with Udemy. Regardless, though, in this specific situation where the data of the students and instructors have already been leaked on the dark web, the damage has been done, Udemy have no choice but to come out and say something. At the very least, put out a statement saying, we suffered a data breach, the records have been leaked, here is what you can do to protect yourself, protect your information. That's the least they can do at this point, and still nothing. Nothing from Udemy, and they ought to be ashamed of themselves. Honestly, I am very disappointed in this particular company, because I expected better from them. I don't know, maybe because I have a personal bias with them, because I have a lot of history with them. Maybe that's what clouded my judgment and clouded my expectations. I don't know. But even if this wasn't Udemy, if this was any other organization out there, they would also deserve the exact same amount of criticism, because this is not acceptable. When you as an organization, you've suffered a data breach, and the information of your customers has already been leaked, you should come out and warn them. Let them know that, hey, your information is out there, and then provide them with the steps that they need to take to secure their accounts and ensure that they don't fall victim to, phishing attacks or things like that. So this is very disappointing, and I'm curious to see if Udemy will come under some sort of a penalty or a fine. I know they're based in California. I don't know what California's laws are regarding disclosures of, data breaches and things like that, but I will keep abreast of the situation. And of course, if there are any major updates, I will make a video talking about them. Now, if you have an account on Udemy and you want to know exactly what you can do, well, first things first is obviously you want to change the password associated with your Udemy account. That is non-negotiable. Next is you want to go over to haveibeenpawned.com. I've talked about this site many times before on this channel. Go over here, type in your email address and check to see if it has been involved in the breach. You can see mine right here. It says Udemy. In April 2026, online training company, blah, 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 blah. As you can see right here, my email address was leaked in that data breach. And the chances are yours will be too as well. However, there is no need to panic because the email address being leaked by itself is useless, all right? The only thing you need to watch out for would be potential phishing emails from people pretending to be from Udemy. So for the next few weeks, just be very wary of any kinds of emails you receive from Udemy. Make sure it's actually from Udemy, all right? And then go to the passwords tab on haveibeenpawned.com and also check to see if your password has indeed been pawned. Now, if it has, or even if it hasn't, still go ahead and change the password associated with your Udemy account. And then last but not least, go to your actual Udemy account on Udemy, go to your account settings under account security. If you haven't done so already, make sure that the multi-factor authentication is enabled, okay? And honestly, this is something you should do on every single major platform that you have, every major account that you have on the internet. Enable two-factor authentication, and where possible, choose the Authenticator app option. Udemy doesn't have that particular option. This is the email option, but still, it is better than nothing. So, yeah, that's it for the video. Honestly, again, Udemy should be ashamed of themselves. The fact that they haven't even said anything at all to the instructors, to the students, is very disappointing, and really they should come under some very heavy criticism or even a major fine, because this is simply not acceptable. So yeah, that's it for the video. If you have any questions about anything I've talked about, if you have any comments, put them down in the comment section below. I always respond to all comments here on my YouTube channel. If you found this video useful, or you know of anyone that has an account on Udemy, please share this video with them, because Udemy isn't going to tell them about what has happened, but I will. So please go ahead and share my video with them. If you're new here to the channel, welcome to Lab Cyber. My name is Alex. I talk about cybersecurity, news, tutorials, and also AI. So if you do enjoy content like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.